As one of the new additions to the Dyson cordless stick lineup, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize is a fantastic vacuum. Not only does it clean debris well, removing 98.1% of all debris in our test, but it also manages hair well, both long and pet hair. It comes with a variety of useful features, including an auto mode, alternative cleaning heads, and built-in crevice tool for easy access. In addition, it has increased dustbin capacity and runtime thanks to an extra battery. This video is sponsored by Naplab. Naplab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel on YouTube. The Dyson Gen5 Outsize comes in 2 versions, the Standard and the Absolute. Currently, the only difference between these versions is color option, with the vacuum and included accessories being the exact same. That said, with previous Dyson vacuums, the Absolute version included additional accessories. As of right now, that isn't the case with the Gen5 Outsize Absolute, but it may change in the future. We tested the Dyson Gen5 Outsize and did so by putting it through a barrage of 8 different performance tests. Across the board, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize showcased excellent cleaning performance. Our debris test checks how well the Dyson Gen5 Outsize manages 4 different types of debris on 3 different floor types. We measure half an ounce of each debris type and lay them in separate lines on each floor type. Next, we run the vacuum over each debris type on the highest suction available, performing a single forward and backward pass. After cleaning, we measure the amount of remaining debris by weight and compare it to the starting amounts to determine performance. The Dyson Gen5 Outsize performed well across all floor and debris types. On average, we see vacuums remove 91.6% of all debris across all floor types. Compared to the average, the Gen5 Outsize performed considerably better. However, the vacuum does come with some minor issues. Mainly, it seems to generate an amount of airflow that blows smaller debris types away. While it causes issues in testing, with more cleaning passes, these issues probably wouldn't be problematic. I'm sure with more thorough cleaning, the Gen5 Outsize would have nearly perfect performance across all categories. The Dyson Gen5 Outsize truly showed spectacular performance on hardwood floors. It had perfect results, completely removing the debris from the floor. On average, vacuums only remove 87.8% of debris. It's clear the Gen5 wins in this comparison. Performance dropped on low-power carpet for the Gen5, but not considerably. The real issue the Dyson Outsize had was with sugar. While cleaning enough blowback would be created to push the sugar out of reach of the larger cleaning head. Still, the Outsize had performance levels better than the average. On average, we see vacuums remove 96.1% of all debris on low-power carpet. While 96.7% debris removal isn't considerably better, it is an improvement overall. Again, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize struggled with sugar on high-power carpet, but still showed an excellent overall performance. On average, we see vacuums remove 91.3% of all debris on high-power carpet. While it struggled with sugar, it still had better performance than average. I'm sure with additional cleaning passes, all of these minor issues would be resolved. To check how well the Dyson Gen5 Outsize manages long hair and avoids tangles, we lay 1.0 grams of long hair on hardwood floor. Once the test is set up, we run the vacuum over the hair on highest suction power with a single forward and backward pass. After we've cleaned, we check the floor for remaining hair and brush roll for tangles. Dyson has a history of managing long hair well in our tests, and again, the Gen5 Outsize did an exceptionally good job. After the test, we did find a few strands in the brush roll, but they were easily removed by fingers and so minimal that our scales couldn't measure it. By comparison, on average, vacuums have 0.13 grams of hair remaining tangled in the brush roll. Dyson has this consistent performance thanks to their hair removal vanes, which are installed in the cleaning head of the vacuum. We perform our pet hair test to check how well vacuums can clean pet hair from carpet fibers. We do this by embedding 1.0 grams of pet hair into the high-power carpet. Once the test is ready to go, we run the vacuum over the entire carpet a single time on the highest suction power. After the test, we measure the amount of remaining hair in the carpet by weight to compare it to the starting amount. As with long hair performance, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize had no real issues with pet hair. We found a tiny amount of pet hair remaining in the carpet after cleaning, but again, it was so small our scales didn't register the weight. On average, we see vacuums handle pet hair well with only 0.01 grams of hair remaining in the carpet. Still, the Gen 5 Outsize outperformed that by having practically perfect performance. Our wind speed tests check the inward suction power of vacuums using an anemometer. We place the measurement device flush against the extension wand of the vacuum and toggle between each suction mode, measuring the amount of inward wind speed. On the highest suction power, the Gen 5 Outsize created 13.2 miles per hour of inward suction. In comparison to the average across all stick vacuums we tested for wind speed, the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize falls a bit behind. On average, we find stick vacuums create 16.5 miles per hour of inward wind speed on the highest suction mode. Vacuums that are completely sealed don't distribute debris around the room while cleaning, while vacuums that are not properly sealed may spread dust and debris around your home. We test this by utilizing a fog machine placed against the extension tube of the vacuum directly in front of the output nozzle. Next, we turn the vacuum on and release short bursts of smoke into the device, checking to see how much escapes the device. We found the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize to be completely sealed. None of the smoke escaped the device, even when releasing longer streams of smoke into the vacuum. This high-quality design ensures all the debris remains in the dustbin while you clean. We test the runtime of the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize by fully charging the battery and running it until it completely dies on each mode. Note, we attach the extension wand and motor bar cleaning head onto the device for this testing. The Dyson Gen 5 Outsize offers a good amount of time for cleaning each mode. In addition, the inclusion of an additional battery effectively doubles the runtime in each mode. On Eco mode, it offers 72 minutes and 22 seconds of runtime, while on Boost mode, it offers 7 minutes and 15 seconds of battery. Another note, the Auto mode can have varying runtimes depending on the cleaning task. It automatically adjusts suction power based on the floor and debris types it detects, which can affect runtime both positively and negatively. Vacuums are loud devices while they clean. To check how loud, we use a professional sound meter device to measure the level of noise generated from about 3 feet away. We run the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize on each mode and record the noise levels measured. Across the board, noise levels for the Outsize are average, creating 77.8 decibels of noise on the highest suction power. On average, we see vacuums generate noise levels in the 70 to 75 decibel range, which matches what we found on the Gen 5 Outsize. Here's what it sounds like on each mode. Dysons are generally pretty handy devices to use while cleaning, and they have only improved with the design of the Gen 5 Outsize. Across the board, usability is fantastic. This is especially thanks to the fantastic new feature that makes switching to handheld mode much quicker. Instead of finding your crevice tool to attach the vacuum, it is instead stored inside the extension wand of the Outsize. In our testing, we found this feature incredibly useful and convenient. It makes it super easy to switch between full-size and handheld cleaning. There are still tools you can attach using the traditional method, but the inclusion of the built-in tool greatly improves the experience. The Dyson Gen 5 Outsize comes with a number of attachments and accessories that can help aid in cleaning and storage. Straight out of the box, the Gen 5 is ready to clean. That said, the battery will most likely not be completely charged. Dyson recommends fully charging the batteries before cleaning. In addition, there is some setup required if you choose to use the wall dock, and it will require tools to install. You'll find a few different pieces of the Dyson Outsize that you will commonly interact with as you use the device. The most notable being the top of the vacuum, which holds 2 buttons and the display. The red button will stop the vacuum, while the silver button will toggle between the 3 power modes. The middle power option functions as an auto mode, which will adjust the suction power based on floor types and particulate matter it detects. Additionally, the vacuum will display the current particulate intake on top of the display. This display can also be checked for the estimated remaining battery life, as well as report on previous cleaning sessions performed. Overall maintenance on the Outsize is simple, with the main task being empty the dustbin. This is done in Dyson's classic point-and-shoot style, which is intuitive and easy to do. The only other major maintenance task is simply washing the filter. There are a number of tools included with the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize that aid in cleaning. For storage, the wall dock is included, which can be installed via tools to store your vacuum on the wall. The combination tool is included as a more traditional cleaning attachment, while the built-in crevice tool also has combination features. Included with the Gen 5 Outsize are a few cleaning heads, with the standard being the digital motor bar XL. It's larger in comparison to the standard motor bar and includes suction gates, which can adjust the suction seal. On some floor types, you'll find the suction too powerful, which creates a super tight seal with the floor. This can be remedied thanks to the inclusion of these adjustable gates, which can be raised or lowered as needed via a switch on the front of the head. For hard surfaces, Dyson included the fluffy optic cleaning head. It's a soft brush roll cleaning head that has the added benefit of a green laser to highlight debris. While it may seem a bit gimmicky, in practice, I did find it incredibly useful to highlight the dust on the floor. The final accessory included is the hair screw tool, which is designed to manage tangles. While the anti-tangle combs in the Motobar XL do a fantastic job on their own, this tool is here as a backup. As the name of the Dyson Gen5 Outsize states, it's larger than your standard cordless stick vac. Despite being larger, it still keeps the maneuverability of a stick vacuum. It can lay completely flat to the ground, is relatively lightweight and especially lighter weight than most uprights, and can take tight turns around the corners. A major benefit of the larger size is a larger dustbin. The dustbin on the Outsize has a volume of half a gallon, compared to the Gen5 Detect, which has a dustbin capacity of just 0.2 gallons. Across the whole device, the build quality seems excellent, although I do have some concern regarding the built-in crevice tool. While I do appreciate the feature and like it, there's a little bit more flex of the device in this specific area. It doesn't seem like a major issue, but it is something we'll want to watch for long-term durability. I would recommend the Dyson Gen5 Outsize if you're looking for a vacuum with excellent overall clean performance. Whether managing debris or hair, the Dyson Gen5 Outsize is more than capable of handling the job. It removed 98.1% of all debris across all floor types, managed long hair with minimal tangles, and practically removed all of the pet fur. In addition, it includes useful features for extended cleaning. Just like the Outsize name suggests, the Gen5 Outsize has a larger dustbin capacity. This holds more debris, which is especially useful for voluminous debris like pet hair. In addition, it comes with an extra battery, effectively doubling your runtime. Being the newest stick vacuum from Dyson, it includes the latest features. It has an auto mode, particulate sensor, and most notably, the built-in crevice tool. Every feature or tool included enhances usability, making the vacuum easier and more convenient to use. The Dyson Gen5 Outsize is expensive, but if you were looking for the absolute best of the best, then this is it. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Dyson Outsize, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.